Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your PS4 from requiring your password when making purchases from the PlayStation Store. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Account Information. On the next page, select Wallet. In Wallet Options, click Purchase Settings. Click where it says Require Password for Purchases and change it to No. Click Confirm once you've done that. Your PS4 will now stop requiring passwords when making purchases. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.